I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the deletion affects iCloud and not just a device. First, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on the device and iCloud. Next, open Photos. On iPhone, use the Photos app. On Mac, use Photos. On any computer, go to iCloud. And sign in. Once done, verify iCloud Photos is enabled. Now you're ready to select items. Tap or click all photos and prepare to select multiple images for removal. You'll now perform the core deletion steps and understand why they matter. Select a batch. Tap Select and drag on iPhone. Use Shift plus click on Mac or web to pick ranges. When you delete, those photos move to Recently Deleted. This preserves them for up to 30 days and prevents accidental loss. If you want immediate permanent removal, open Recently Deleted and choose Delete All or Individual Delete. Once done, the photos are removed from iCloud storage and free up space. Finish by confirming the action and handling common issues. After deleting, visit iCloud. Or Settings your name iCloud manage storage to confirm space freed. If deleted items still appear, sign out and back in or toggle iCloud Photos off and on. This forces a sync. Make sure you empty Recently Deleted, otherwise items persist for 30 days. Troubleshooting tip: if sync lags, connect to stable Wi-Fi and power, then wait a few minutes for iCloud to propagate changes across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.